Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your HODL application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Launch open HODL application and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. From the homepage, tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner. You will now end up in this page from where you'll need to select account option. The account's email and other information that you've used in order to log in will be displayed. To log out of your account, tap on Logout. Soon after you tap the Logout button, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard, but you will now be logged out of your HODL account. So that's how easy it is to sign out or log out of HODL. But remember that you will need your credential or the sign up option that you've recently chosen. Make sure to remember your credentials correct so that you can get back to your account again. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.